Here at the Heathen household, we have been working behind the scenes on some amazing new things that we are so excited to finally be able to announce. We would like to officially present not one, but two new children's books that have just been released, made by heathens for heathen families. First, we have Halfdan the Littlest Heathen Meets You, which is an introductory book for our new children's book series called Halfdan the Littlest Heathen, where Halfdan will help teach our little ones about heathen concepts and more. Topics such as friður, hospitality, and griður will be explored through fun-to-read, fully illustrated stories in our new series. In Halfdan the Littlest Heathen Meets You, join Halfdan as he introduces himself and asks questions that makes reading time fun and interactive. The second book we're excited to announce is the Elder Futhark Runes, a fully illustrated guide, which features all 24 runes found in the Elder Futhark runic alphabet. Each 2-page spread displays the rune's meaning, pronunciation, and the phonetic sound that matches with each rune. These are books that are going to capture your children's imaginations as they learn what heathenry is all about. You can purchase both books on Amazon today by finding the links in the description below. Thank you guys so much, and we are so excited for this next step in our journey together. And from our heathen household to yours, we're wishing you all a wonderful day.